The Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, Anantapur, has started the AP EAMCET 2023 application form filling process at cets.apsche.ap.gov.in. Interested students can fill out the AP EAMCET application form in online mode. Every year, the authorities conduct the examination for the admission into engineering, pharmacy, and agriculture undergraduate courses. Through this video, Careers 360 provides a step-by-step guide to fill the AP EAMCET application form. Firstly, visit the official website cets.apsche.ap.gov.in. Now, click on the eligibility criteria and fee payment link. Now, enter the details like qualifying exam hall ticket number, name of candidate, date of birth, email ID, phone number, stream, category, and select the payment options. Next, click on Verify Email and Pay button to pay the required fee. Once the payment is done, proceed to fill out the application form. Here, enter details like payment reference ID, qualifying examination hall ticket number, mobile number, date of birth, and click on Proceed to fill the application form. Now, fill in the details such as candidate's detail, annual income of parents, EWS, eligibility, special reservation category, present address, qualifying examination, place of study, test center preference, and upload the signature and passport size photograph. Next, click on the declaration button and then click on Save and then Submit button. Now, preview all the details. In case you want to modify any details, then click on Modify button or otherwise click on Confirm button. Finally, the AP EAMCET registration number will be shown on the screen. Click on the Print Application button and save it for future use. If you are preparing for AP EAMCET exam and other engineering entrance exams like JEE Main, BITCET, VIT EEE, then use our Careers 360 Prep combo to get access to unlimited test series. Candidates can check the other AP EAMCET exam related important details in the description box below.